In this video, we will learn about data cards in PowerApps and how we can upload new Google Sheet. So for this, I have prepared one sheet. So here is the Excel file that contains name, description, price, and image for different mobile phones, and we have three records: the name, description, price, and the image URL. So I took all these data from the Amazon website. So first of all, you have to open your Google Sheet. Last time we have created one student data just by clicking the blank here, the plus sign. And to upload this, we need to click this open file picker icon. And here you can utilize my drive, share with me, recent upload. We need to click upload because this file is available in the computer. So upload and select, and here you can see this mobile phone data. Just need to click upload, and here you can see docs.google.com spreadsheets, and this is the Excel file. And now we can go to the Power Apps. So in the same way, we need to start from the data, other data sources, and then we need to choose the connection that we have made last time, and we need to here the data set is mobile phone data. Click here and select the table. The table is in the form of sheet. This is sheet 1. So this is our table. So we need to select this one and click connect. Skip, and here you can see we are getting this information. This is the description, the phone and image, and somehow this image is not displaying because the Microsoft Power Apps is not recognizing this link. So what we have to do, we need to go here, and in the heading we need to write here square bracket image, this one. So that's all. And now we need to go to the Power Apps again, refresh, reload. Again I need to click here mobile phone data sheet 1, connect. Still it is not working, so we need to check again. We need to put one space here, and let's try to connect again. So here you can see we are getting the image and the description, the name, and the price. The trick is you need for the image so that the Power App can recognize it. You have to use here image space, and inside square bracket the image should start with small I. So this is the trick that you have to use, and you can also customize this name. For example, mobile phones, and if you click here the detail screen, so here you can see the first is the detail form. If you click, so this is the complete form that contains description, image, name, and price. And if you expand it, so here you can see this is price data card, name data card, image data card, and the description data card. So what are the data card? Basically, these are the data cards, these columns. This is the name data card, the description, data card, price, and image. So because all these description, because here you can see the description is coming from the description column, and this column name is the data card that contains all these records, all these rows. So if you click price data card, and here you can see, if you click advanced, so see the unlock, it is locked and you have to unlock to change the properties. So you need to click here, so it is unlocked, and here you can see we have two fields for every data card. We have two fields. The first field is the data field, and the second field is the display name. The display name is just like a label. Like for example, if I write here price, latest price, this one. So here you can see I'm getting latest price here. And if I click like name, and again I need to unlock this one, and this time I don't do anything here, but I will change the data field name, that is phone name. So in the later videos, whenever we need to use this field, this phone name data field, for the manipulation of the data field will be directly connected to the underlying data here. So here you can see I have changed the data field phone name, but here I'm seeing the name because the display name is name, just is a simple name here. So that's all about how we can utilize data cards in Power Apps, and what is the difference between data field and display name. Every card will have two fields. One is the data field and other is the display name. The display name is nothing but just a label, and the data field is a field that is connected with your underlying data. So this is the only difference. And the other customization you can do as we have done last time. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.